I hope this video will help you get ahead of 99% of other freelancers out there. Okay, the first thing is to position yourself as a strategic partner. One of the biggest mistakes that I personally made early on was thinking of myself solely as a service provider. But in reality, clients are looking for strategic partners who can help them solve problems and achieve their goals. So instead of just offering your services, try to position yourself as a strategic partner and take time to understand your clients' businesses, their pain points, and their objectives. So remember, it's not you against the client, it's you and the client against the problem that your client is facing, and you're helping them as a partner sitting next to them on the same side of the table. And the second thing that I wish I knew is that you don't need more clients, you need to provide more value. So in the early days of freelancing, I was so obsessed with getting more clients, but I soon realized that it's not about the number of clients that you have, but the value you provide to them. So instead of chasing after new clients constantly, focus on delivering exceptional value to your existing clients. So this could mean going the extra mile, offering additional services, or simply just providing outstanding customer service if you don't have anything to upsell them. So when you prioritize value over volume, you'll not only retain your clients, but you will attract new ones through word of mouth, and they will give you referrals. And the third thing that I wish I knew was you need to productize your services. As a freelancer, your time is your most valuable asset. So if you're constantly trading time for money, you'll quickly hit a ceiling on your earning potential. That's why it's so essential to productize your service. So instead of charging by the hour or by the project, try to create packaged offerings with fixed pricings. So this not only makes it easier for your clients to understand what they're getting, but also it allows you to scale your business more efficiently. It gives you the freedom to focus on delivering results rather than tracking hours. So as freelancers, we are not in the business of tracking hours. Okay, another crucial insight is you need systems in place to run your business. The best freelancers out there don't wing it. So running a successful freelance business requires more than just talent and hard work. So take time to identify areas where you can implement systems and automations in your business, whether it's a project management software, invoicing tool, or a CRM system. Investing in the right systems can save you time and reduce stress when it comes to running a business. Clients can tell when your systems are all over the place. Keep your ducks in a row, and remember, you cannot scale chaos. The next one is establish clear boundaries. If you're not careful, freelancing can blur the lines between work and personal life. It's so crucial to establish clear boundaries to maintain your sanity and prevent burnout. So define working hours, communicate them with your clients, and resist the urge to work outside of those times. And also set boundaries around communication channels and response times to manage clients' expectations effectively. Trust me on this one. If you don't set those boundaries in the beginning of a project, you will be getting texts from clients at 3 a.m. I don't know what number we are at, but the next one is to cultivate a strong personal brand. Okay, now I'm new to this. I only have less than 8,000 people across all my social media channels, but I will tell you this, in 2024 and beyond, it's harder to get clients if you don't have a personal brand. So if you don't have anything online, you're automatically 5 years or 10 years behind your competitors, because nowadays when you send a cold email or cold call someone, the first thing that they're going to do is Google you. So if nothing appears on Google about you or about your services, chances are they're not going to choose you. Personally, I wish I invested more time into my personal brand. For so long, I was so okay with building my little business in private and working with 1 to 3 clients a month until it was hard to get one client. If you want to get ahead, please invest time in your personal brand. I'm just getting started, and hopefully I'll come back a year later and talk about how personal branding has changed my business. Okay, the next one is you need to build a reliable network. Freelancing can be a solitary journey, as we all know, but that doesn't mean that you have to do it alone. So try to surround yourself with a supportive network of marketers, web designers, whatever industry that you are in. Join free groups, paid communities, lean on people for advice. This will also help you get some inspiration from other freelancers out there. And the next one is embrace failure as a learning opportunity. So failure is part of the freelancing journey, or any business really. But it's how you respond to it that matters the most. So instead of dwelling on setbacks, view them as valuable learning opportunities. Always analyze what went wrong, identify lessons learned, and use that knowledge to improve your skills, your processes, and your decision making in the future. Remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. And lastly, please manage your finances well. We all know that freelancing comes with financial uncertainties, so it's essential to have a solid financial plan in place and manage your finances well. Don't be like me when I started. Track your income and expenses, set aside money for taxes and emergencies, and establish clear payment terms with your clients. That is just to ensure timely payments. And also have fun. This is a bonus. Have fun. When you enjoy your work, you're more likely to produce more value, work efficiently, and connect with your clients. And also, it's so easy to beat everybody who's just in it for money.